Hello and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you have not done so already, and then like this video. Also share your thoughts in the comment section. We are looking at how to install Filmora 12.5.6 update. So you double click to install. You click OK. Then Filmora has detected another version. You click yes. Then we run through the installation process. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Installation is done. Then we open Filmora. Then new project. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Then here you see that most of your effects and also transitions are already there. If you are not connected to the internet, you see the loading sign. And then you can also download more of the features that you want to add to what you already have. Thank you for watching.